Hi guys. So for today's, we're gonna take the topic life exists in smallest moment. We often think that we should struggle now, and when the success after achieving the success, we would enjoy, right? Like most of us think like that way, think that way. But because of that commitment, we forget that life is not about the future. In fact, there is no success in life, there is no failure in life. What is success? You just perceive an idea, you just perceive a wish, and it comes true. You call it success. You just get some money in your account, that is in a large number, and you call it success. See, you have your own perspective of success. But the truth is, success does not exist in the life. It's all about what do you make it. I always say that life is what you make it. I don't say that, but I have heard famous personalities say that. Success is just an achievement, right? But life is beyond that. Life is beautiful. Life is consists of small and big moment. Life is consists of this moment. I mean, when we procrastinate our happiness on tomorrow, we just illusion making an illusion, and we are doing worse to ourselves. First of all, your success or your wish, if you want your wish to come true, there is no need to show it that you are leaving parties, you are leaving your friends, you are not talking to them, and that will lead to you to the success. No. Why you are doing that if it is not necessary? You are leaving parties. Why? If you can manage your time, there is no need to leave the parties. Enjoy the moment, but give them less time. I think people do that just to exaggerate their journey, because people um, always perceive of themselves to be superior, to be a leader, and to be unique. And we know that success is associated, we have heard that success is associated with hard work. And everyone who got success tells his or her success story of struggle, how he get, how he have been able to get his wish. Similarly, struggle is not what you perceive. Struggles is simply a process, bro. It is a process. When you are on the roots, when you don't know where you love, I mean your destiny, but you love the journey and so the destiny. If you can love journey, you are truly successful. Why? Because success is all about the mindset. What is your mindset? If you just completed your homework, it is a success. But the thing is, you don't perceive it. You want something materialistic. You want people's opinion. You want their claps. You want them to clap. Well, this just depend your success to others. In some way or another, the people are deciding that you are successful or not. Suppose you have topped the exam, but you didn't get any regard from your relatives, from your friends, from your known ones, then whatever you have achieved will matter like nothing to you. Because success is, I mean, we perceive success when people accept that. And similarly, what we can do regarding this aspect is that be present in the present. Life is not about the phrasing people, about phrasing them. Life is not about making yourself so idealistic. Life is not about being the best, but it about striving to be better, better than the previous moment, better than yesterday, better than today, the last moment. This is success. When you polish yourself regularly, and that's to my friend. I want to add that is life. Ultimately, life is what life is. Your objective is to serve people on the earth. Beside this, you don't have any. You don't have anything to do on earth. It is absolutely very true. It is true because uh, I have got to know regarding this. If you can make someone happy, if you can make one's life productive or develop one's capabilities, you're doing your duty. And some way or another, when people choose to, when people choose a career, they just think of themselves and no one. And that is the reason they just kind of, I was on, yes, uh, when people choose their career, they just want to praise themselves. They just want money. They want place to visit. They want good partner. And they perceive that it is a true life. It is a life which is idle, which is, and they are living the life in which they are supposed to do. Well, that is the problem, brother. We are not here to live on materialistic thing only. Well, well, I know that I'm living the lifestyle of a king. I'm living the lifestyle of the richest man on earth ever once ever born. Why? I have this chair. I have this table. I have technology. I have food. I have friends to play. And these are the factors in which I can say that I'm enjoying the life. I don't need anything. And that is truly the life, brother. Why don't you understand that? See, let me tell you one secret that we are just living a fake life. And we just living like this way because we want to show people that what we are. We want to show people at any cost. That is our motto. Motto. When people say that they want cars, bungalows. But suppose you have got a chance to buy everything from anywhere to any extent, and any women you can choose. You can have fun with her. You can have sex. You can have romantic talks with that person. Okay, so a layman would think that he is getting everything just because he is having lady, he is occupied, or he has lady, he has two children. Okay, and I don't know one or not, but it's true that life exists in the way, only in the way that we refuse. Every person who was once young or youngest is worse in condition in nowadays because times do its work sincerely, and it has been doing this for hours and hours. Why? Don't know. ठीक है. And that's I wanted to tell you guys, and I know that the video is going to be a little bit boring, or I don't know, lengthy or not, but it is what it is. It is what it is. All right, and I want to spread a message towards you that everything happens for a reason, and if you think that you if you think and your candidates are measured, so जय सिंह, ठीक है, और अपने फ्रैंकफर्ट, और अपने धारणा, धार, कृष्णा, दीक्षित, yes. I'm getting a little bit sleepy because today genuinely I want to sleep. I want to sleep because there's life in every moment. I want some rest, and there's life in it. Why don't we understand that? We must take care of our body, we must take care of ourselves, we must take care of our mind, we must take care of ourselves, of our health. We cannot achieve success by just laying एंड डूइंग नथिंग। सक्सेस के लिए हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा, सक्सेस के लिए हमें आज के ऊपर ध्यान देना पड़ेगा। सक्सेस सिर्फ आज पे ही डिपेंड करती है, अदरवाइज कहीं नहीं। इफ़ यू थिंक दैट और कहीं है तो यू आर जस्ट बीइंग अ फ्रेश पर्सन एंड डूइंग नथिंग। ओके, सो हियर आ गया lottery again. Are what I'm saying? I think today's conversation we should stop it here, and we'll be further moving to other conversations. But for today, it's just okay. So bye bye.